In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play BBQ it on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But when you first do the game, you will be placed and required to do a essentially tutorial section where you place down a table, you place down a basic grill, and then of course you can choose your first meat to go ahead and sell. But that is the core process of the gameplay. There's a lot more that goes into it. Essentially, we'll start with this meat section and then we'll break down everything else. In the meat section, you're going to want to always try and buy the most expensive meat that you can buy. Obviously, this does restock, so you got to keep that in mind. If it's in stock and you have enough money to purchase it, I recommend doing so. Like, for example, I could get 2 of these raw lobster tails, just like so. There's going to be a lot of different things that you can customize on here with different rarities. So filter through these rarities, try and find something that's in stock that, of course, you are able to purchase, get it, and then once you have it, it's going to appear in your inventory down here. There's going to be another shop over here. In this shop, this is where you get yourself grills, smokers, tables, totems, and gears. So go through here, get whatever you possibly can. I'd start by focusing on grills and some tables, and then of course start working on smokers and more tables as well, so that you can cook more meat. But then you go over to your yard, and this is where everything really happens. You can place down your meat on the grills or smokers, for example. You're going to see this little thing right above it. This is going to tell you when stuff is ready or not. So you essentially need to let it sit on here until it says perfect. The first line is going to be when it is raw all the way to cooked. Once it hits that first line, it'll be cooked all the way up to perfect. And then, of course, after perfect, you're able to pick it up and then sell it. Now, you can obviously pick it up beforehand as well, but it's not going to sell for as much. So you want to make sure that you are only picking it up when it is perfect. It's a little bit of a waiting game, just like so, but that's really the full process. You can also use your hammer to pick up things in your yard. And then, of course, these totems right here are going to give, like, your meat different, like, rarities or whatnot. Kind of like grow a garden when it, like, rains or has, like, thunderstorms, for example. It's going to, like, change your fruit a little bit. These totems do the exact same thing, so keep that in mind. That really is the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.